Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change Wi-Fi password quickly and easily to keep your internet secure and prevent unwanted users from connecting. First, open a web browser on your PC or phone. In the address bar, type your router's IP address, usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, then press enter. Next, log into your router admin panel using the username and password. If you never changed it before, check the router label or manual for the default login details. After logging in, go to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section. The name may vary depending on your router brand. Now find the Wi-Fi password or security key option. Delete the old password and enter a new strong password using letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Then click Save or Apply Settings. Your router will restart or refresh the network automatically. After that, reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi password because the old connection will disconnect. For extra security, avoid using simple passwords like your name or phone number and update your password regularly. Finally, keep your router login password different from your Wi-Fi password to prevent unauthorized access. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi password is now successfully changed and your network is more secure. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more internet and tech guides. Thanks for watching.